Going to be doing 3 tins of 21-22 match Attax Lightning. I opened this, the last one, instead of opening another pack. This one feels a little, like it weighs a little more. Could just be the thickness of the tin. Hopefully it's good stuff. Heritage, Luis Suarez, Scott McTominay, Kelchi Iheanacho, Jordan Henderson, Bernardo Silva, Mats Hummels, Marquinhos, Antoine Griezmann, Martin Zubimendi, Bono, Pepe, Heinrich Mkhitaryan, Kieran Trippier, Sandro Bastoni, Kasper Schmeichel, live stream is too much reflection off of stuff back there. Schmeichel, Joel Matip. No, the live stream is a flop. Good thing I got these because this is just too blurry, too fast. Phil Foden, Marco Verratti, Pedri, Luke De Jong, Matthias Uribe, Alphonso Davies, Stefan De Vrij, Juventus. Now we're back to the print, the shiny stuff. Everybody's probably thinking, get to the shiny stuff right away. Master and Apprentice, Joaquin and Linez, whatever. Mitchell Barker. Baker. Dan Pareo. Bruno Fernandes, Claudio Bravo, Alexander Isaac. Damn it. We're going to need a better setup with the camera for the live stream. Diego Carlos, Alphonso Davies, Harry Kane. Stand back! There's a hurricane coming through! Let's see who's on the extra pack. Raheem Sterling. 4 cards in that one? Kind of looks like it. I thought there were supposed to be 3, but whatever. Whatever. Haven't hit a jersey or an autograph yet. I think that's a pretty rare thing to have here. Joe Gomez. Zuma. Marcelo. First one was Emerick Laporta. Daniel Carvajal. Nicolas Otamendi. Sergio Reguilon. Sydney. Peter Gulashi. SSC Napoli, Josip Ilicic, AFC Ajax, you say Ajax, that's probably Frank Kessie, Mason Mount. Issa Diop. Eden Hazard. Thomas Meunier. Eric Dier. Marcel Sabitzer. Sebastian Coates. Mike Oyarzabal. Luis Muriel. Nicolo Zaniolo. Yao Cancelo. Yusufa Mukoko. Federico Chisa. Mason Mount. Yeah, okay, that wasn't a gold earlier. Adel Tarabt. Marc-Andre ter Stegen. Jordan Henderson. What kind of soccer name is that? Keylor Navas. Kevin De Bruyne. Yuri Tillmans. I'm sorry if anybody's watching the live stream. It's definitely not the quality that I would like the video to be, but nothing I can do about it. Except upgrade. First 10. Time for 10-2. Trying to get it open here. It's tearing up the box and everything. Didn't really want that to happen. Next 10. I think I just... Oh, look at that. What was that here? Oh, I got a relic. I got a relic. I'll show that after these. I don't know who it was. I saw it was a relic. Got a relic. Leonardo Bonucci. Atletico de Madrid. Benjamin Pavard. Roger Ibanez, Augustine Marchesing, Yusuf Poulsen, Can. Emery Can. He really should be playing for America. Maybe he does. If not, they need to get him. They really do. Eric Lamela. Miralem Pjanic. Fred. Jorginho. Kieran Trippier. Alessandro Bastoni. Sergio Cellini, Sergio Gomez, Otavio, getting some new ones in here. Raul Albiol, Marquinhos, Antoine Griezmann, Pizzi, quite a few single names. Harry Maguire. It's just Callum Hudson-Odoi. You know, you got different names like that, and then you get like a Harry Callum. Master and Apprentice, Kapui Chukwueze. Gnabry, Serge Gnabry, Wesley Fofana, Joshua Kimmich. Oh, that's a Chrome. I don't know if that's a Chrome preview or what that is. There's something different about that. Toby Alderweireld. Michael Antonio. This is definitely a hot 10. James Madison. Haris Seferovic. David Silva. Feels a little different, but I'm sure it's just the way the cards are in there. Heritage Jude Bellingham. Very nice shape. Daily Blind. Samir Hadanovic, Cristiano Ronaldo, pretty good shape. Pierluigi Golini, Yorkin, Josiba Zaldua. Fernando need to slow down a little bit here. Rodrigo, Rafa Silva, Pablo Sarabia. Eos Perez. Live stream. No, I'm not worried about live stream at this point. Liverpool. Rodri. Frank Kessie. Henrik Mkhitaryan. I know I'm saying their names wrong. Antonio Adan. Mark Bartra. Ortiz Elustondo. Nicolas Otamendi. Sergio Reguilon, Mats Hummels, James Milner, Gabriel Jesus, probably Jesus, Gabriel Jesus. Romelu Lukaku, Diego Lainez, Marquinhos, Paul Pogba, all-rounder, Luis Suarez, Axel Witsel, Pedri signature style, goal machine Mohamed Salah, Aaron Wan-Bissaka. One more tin of lightning. And then there's the two. It came with the 2 extra packs in it. Lightning limited edition. Raheem Sterling, purple. And then the jersey, Christopher Nkunku. And then this is the back. Definitely a hot tin, I think. quite a few different players than have been the norm, and then there was the chrome that was in there. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? So our first jersey is out of Lightning. Second tin of Lightning. Third and last tin of Lightning. I'm probably pretty close to having the set. I guess I don't know how many are in it. I didn't do any research on anything. I just saw these, got them, got to the house, and I'm opening them. Another 10. Here we go. Oh, that one's... Okay, there are 4 cards in there. I was thinking there was only 3. Raheem Sterling. And bronze. I'm assuming bronze. So I suppose it's just the way the pack is sitting in there. Though, those feel heavier. So I mean, it could easily be more cards in the pack. Oh. Die cut. Thomas Meunier. Rafael Toloi. Gianluca Mancini. Stefan Savic. Piotr Zelinski. Marcel Sabitzer. Sebastian Coates. Definitely the Lightning have been better. SL Benfica, Jordi Alba, Mark Albrighton, Fabinho, Raheem Sterling, Frank Kessie, Henrique Mkhitaryan, Kieran Trippier, Albert Torres, Nabil Fekir, FC Barcelona, Luka Modric, Kelechi Iheanacho, Jordan Henderson, Bernardo Silva, put it way in the back. Way in the back. I think it's a good one. William Carvalho, Gianluca Mancini, Kurzawa and Banker. I say his last name wrong every time. It's Baker. Dale Upamecano, Ivan Rakitic, Phil Foden, Giovanni Reina, Heung-min Son, Declan Rice, Frankie de Jong. I don't know that they're worth anything other than extra. I'll keep it separate for now. This one, let's see. Nothing, just a flip. Mats Hummels, Marcel Sabitzer, Sergei Gnabry, Winston McKennie, Rafael Toloi, Suso, Samuel Chukwueze, Borussia Dortmund, Presnel Kimpembe, no, Wangman's son, Kai Havertz, West Ham United, Mark Albrighton, Matthias de Ligt, Jeffrey Kondogbia, Manuel Neuer, I don't know which one, Papu Gomez, Jesus Corona, Marcel Halstenberg, Vinny Jr., Odysseus Vlachodimos, I'm guessing he's Greek, Andrei Yarmolenko, Dennis Perret, Diogo Jota, whichever, Giovanni Reina, Ferran Torres, Azpilicueta and James, Marc-Andre ter Stegen, Jordan Henderson, Bruno Fernandes, Erling Haaland, Alejandro Remiro, Clement Langlet. Not a bad 10. Now, I did have 3 of the Lightning as opposed to one of the others, so they may do as well. But the Lightning definitely did deliver compared to the others. I'm going to put that shield back in there. Those could be worth more. I don't know. Definitely nice hitting them. Or at least hitting that one. Let's get this here. I'm just setting everything back in their respective tin until I can get to it when I can sleeve them. Anyway, that has been 3 tins of 21-22 Match Attax Lightning. Thanks for watching.